What's up, everybody? It's 2024. That means new ambitions and new goals. And if you've decided to take the path as an indie game developer, I completely understand the challenges that lie ahead, and I want as many of you guys to succeed as possible. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips on the best practices to follow in 2024 if you want to succeed as a full-time game dev. So tip number 1 is that you need to catch trends early. And this is really important, especially if you do not have any marketing dollars to spend on advertising. So being in the right place at the right time can drastically change your life. So for example, when Big Run Studios, they released a skill-based bingo game, and they got a lot of success because it was the first time it's been done. It's something that people love to play. And then subsequently every other developer followed suit, and they brought out their own skill-based bingo games where you could win real money, and now the App Store is absolutely littered. So if you had to do that a couple years ago, you would have had a lot of success, but if you do it now, it's kind of hard to fight through the mess of all those clone apps. So you want to put your feelers out there, see what's trending or what has the potential to go viral. And like I said, this is very important if you don't have budget to spend on advertising, because you want to catch these trends early and kind of ride that wave of traffic. And believe me, with one good game, you can build your entire studio that can set you up for a long time. So do your research and keep your eyes open for when that opportunity does come and present itself, and then that way you'll be at the front of the queue and you won't be wasting any time. So tip number 2, and this is something that I only recently discovered last year. I started doing it more, and since then it has really helped me and helped my game studio. So what I'm talking about is networking. And if you are not networking with like-minded individuals in the space, you are losing out. Because when you meet someone, you go to these events, you go to game dev meetings, you can meet awesome like-minded people with lots of talent, and you can collaborate on projects, you can learn from each other. And yeah, there's an old cliche that says your network is your net worth. It sounds cheesy, but it is absolutely true. Even by just having this YouTube channel, I have met incredible people, people that I've worked with, that I continue to work with and learn from and grow from. And it's just a really great sense of having that community around you and that support. So very important, you do want to network. Go and check out which game dev events are happening around cities around you, and go and attend them. Go and have some fun, go meet people, go talk to people, and go out there and learn. You'll be surprised at where you'll be in a couple of months or years with the right people guiding you. So let's lose that stigma of all game devs are in their mom's basements with no sunshine. Get out there and meet people and build studios and also get known in the industry. So sometimes when you are known and people know what you're about, they'll approach you in case they have projects that kind of fit your mission objective. So that's a very important tip, and I suggest you kind of focus on that in 2024. The third and final tip I have for you guys is to focus on one marketing channel. So this is really important, especially in this day and age, because with the increase in technology, it is easier to create games, to create awesome looking games. You can either hire the right people if you have the money, and there's even AI tools that help you create games. So creating games is not the problem at the moment, it's the marketing, and it always has been for many developers. So what I suggest is that you focus on one marketing channel, one traffic channel that you hone all your focus on, because ultimately a lot of times developers make the mistake of trying this one and trying this traffic channel and then this one, and they spread their focus across all these different areas and they get 0 results. So what I focused on in the beginning, because I knew I was broke, I didn't have any money to spend on advertising, and I focused solely on ASO. So I know it became very monotonous at times, looking for the right keywords, trying different screenshots, and it's very time consuming. But if you focus on that, you will start to gain traction, and with that traction, then you can start focusing on other marketing channels. So If you don't have money, focus on ASO. If you do have money, focus on running very optimized user acquisition campaigns, learning the best strategies for that. If you are good at social media, just focus solely on social media to drive your traffic, and that way you'll get a bit of traction, and that'll set off everything else if you do want to branch out and explore other traffic channels. So go according to your own resources and your knowledge. So I always had a background in SEO work. I used to rank websites on Google, so it wasn't a far stretch to do the same, to apply the same strategies to the App Store. A lot of the principles are the same, so that's what I focus on exclusively, and that's how I was able to build my studio. So now I'm focusing more on paid advertising. It's something I want to get into this year, but it's only because I got traction through ASO that I started to get the installs, which resulted into revenues, which I can now invest those revenues into paid advertising. So yeah, that's my final tip for you guys. Focus on one marketing strategy, one marketing channel, and you will see traction soon enough. So there you have it, guys. Those are my 3 tips to having a successful 2024 if you are a indie game developer. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, show some love, smash the like button, subscribe if you do want to see more of this content that's going to be coming up every week, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.